Welcome to Artist Home, a place where art lives and grows. Today, let's talk about one of the most timeless and powerful practices in art, figure drawing and line art. Figure drawing is one of the oldest and most powerful forms of art. From ancient cave paintings to modern masterpieces, the human figure has always been a symbol of beauty, emotion, and storytelling. Figure drawing is never just about drawing a body. Each line you make carries meaning, expressing balance, rhythm, and depth. That's why line drawing is often called the heartbeat of art. At first, your lines may look shaky or your proportions may feel off, but with daily practice, your hands will gain strength and confidence. The most important key to mastering figure art is observation. The more carefully you observe the human form, the more life you can bring into your lines. Many people think line art is just a few strokes on paper, but the truth is a single line can capture movement, emotion, and even the soul of a figure. Remember this. A line is not just a mark, it is the lifeline of art. If you are a beginner, spend 10-15 minutes every day practicing quick sketches. Draw fast, repeat often, and don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are the stepping stones of progress. But figure drawing is not only about practice, it is also about patience. Every artist must learn to slow down, breathe, and connect with their subject. When you draw, don't just look at the body in front of you. Try to feel the energy, the posture, the emotion hidden inside the pose. That invisible energy is what makes your drawing alive. Another secret is gesture drawing. Before going into details, capture the overall movement of the body with just a few flowing lines. Gesture brings action, rhythm, and life to your figure. Once you master gestures, your drawings will never look stiff. They will look dynamic and full of motion. And never forget, great art is not created in a single day. Every masterpiece is built on thousands of sketches, endless trials, and countless hours of dedication. So whenever you feel frustrated, remember that each line you draw is one step closer to mastery. Above all, art is a journey. It teaches you discipline, patience, and a new way of seeing the world. When you draw, you are not only improving your hand, you are sharpening your mind and soul. And here's the most important thing. Never compare your art with others. Compare only with yourself, with the artist you were yesterday. Even a small improvement today is a big victory. Be proud of your progress. Your lines, your mistakes, your experiments. They all tell your unique story as an artist. That story is priceless. So keep practicing, keep observing, and keep believing in yourself. For more valuable tips, guidance, and inspiration, stay connected with Artist Home. Subscribe, stay inspired, and let's grow together on the journey of art.